And welcome back. Having called time on his regional 50-over career, Jamaican Chris Gayle has announced that the upcoming ICC World Cup will be his last one-day international appearance for the West Indies. Renata Brown reports.
Just shy of 2 decades since his 50-over debut for the West Indies, Jamaican Chris Gayle has decided to pull up stumps on an illustrious limited overs career that has seen him become the region's second highest scorer in ODI cricket.
Yeah, it's a possibility. It might be the last time to get a chance to see the universe boss on local soil. I mean, the last game I played there was my last 50-over game for Jamaica. I got 100. Hopefully that would be nice to continue where I left off here in Barbados, and entertain the home fans, the fans as much as possible. Yeah, definitely. I mean, the 50-over definitely the World Cup. I'm looking to actually draw the line there, or should I say, cut the string there, and then let the youngsters have some fun, and then they actually can take it, and I can sit back, go in the party stand and watch them having some fun as well.
But with the Windies currently struggling to identify a consistent opening pair, is this the wrong time for the Windies to lose the experienced Jamaican? Former teammate, now Jamaica Scorpions assistant coach Andrew Richardson doesn't think so.
I do not think it came at a wrong time. He's just making it clear that after the World Cup, he's not going to be eligible for selection in the one-day format. I know a few guys have tried and didn't really set the world on fire. We're talking about Hemraj. Hemraj got his opportunity in the subcontinent the other day and didn't do much. Some of the guys who are coming up, John Campbell is gonna get his opportunity now against Englishmen, and fingers crossed, hopefully he gets off to a good start. The other guys out there.
Richardson, though, admits that Gayle's presence in the team will be greatly missed.
Chris is a global superstar. He has definitely made a significant, massive contribution to the game overall. And for him retiring from the 50-over game, he's going to be missed. He's going to be missed. His flair that he brought to the top of the order, his power hitting, it's really something that's going to be missed. His presence overall, his charisma in the changing room. Noticeably, he didn't say he's retired from Test cricket or T20. So, he's still eligible for selection in those formats, but he's definitely going to be in the 50-over game.
The left-handed Chris Gayle, now 39, has scored 9,727 ODI runs, second only to the legendary Brian Lara among West Indians, in 284 matches since his debut in 1999. Gayle has made 23 ODI centuries, and his 215 against Zimbabwe in the 2015 World Cup is the fourth highest score in history. He's one of only 6 men to have scored an ODI double century. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.